Good morning, dear students. We shall discuss your bi-monthly test of English of July 2021. As for the first question, we are given a passage. We have to read the passage carefully and answer the questions. But before we read the passage, we shall read the question so that we may come to know what is being asked. The first question: the world seems to be in a great dash to reach somewhere. The options are hurry, queue, push, peace. Next, how do pedestrians seem to move on the road? The options are walking, jogging, running, crawling. Next, why have superfast foods become popular? The options are people have no time to have their food peacefully. People are driving vehicles fast. People have to reach somewhere. Places are crowded to sit and have food. Next question. Dash seems to have joined this race too. The options are trees, earth, plants, nature. Next question. People suffer from dash due to speed age. The options are cancer, headache, hypertension, fever. Now let's read the passage. Our world seems to be in the grip of speed age. Don't you see everyone in a great hurry to reach somewhere? God knows where and why. Put on the roads. Fast moving vehicles are driven faster. Pedestrians also appear to be running instead of walking. Queue or no queue. Hefty people push their way through the crowd, injuring or hurting women, old people, or even small children. Doctors, lawyers, and even shopkeepers have no patience or time to listen to you or attend to you. People have no time even to have their food peacefully, and so super fast food points have sprung up. No surprise then that so many suffer from hypertension or heart diseases. Even nature seems to have joined this race. Years, months, weeks, and days seem simply to fly away, as if to take mankind faster to the new century, promising a brighter and happier era. Now, question first. The world seems to be in a great dash to reach somewhere. It's given here. Don't you see everyone in a great hurry to reach somewhere? So the answer is hurry. Next, how do pedestrians seems to move on the road? It's given. Put on the road. Fast moving vehicles are driven faster. Pedestrians also appear to be running instead of walking. So the answer is running. Next, why have super fast food become popular? It's given. People have no time even to have their food peacefully. So the answer is people have no time to have their food peacefully. Next, dash seems to have joined this race too. It's given. Even nature seems to have joined this race. So the answer is nature. Next, people suffer from dash due to speed age. So it's given. No surprise then that so many suffer from hypertension or heart disease. So the answer is hypertension. For the next questions, we are given a poster. We have to look at the poster carefully and answer the questions. But we'll read the questions first. What is the poster about? Causes of COVID-19, remedies for COVID-19, precautions for COVID-19, effects of COVID-19. Next question. Choose the correct statement. Wash your hands well after every 4 hours. Wash your hands properly and often. Use hand sanitizer instead of soap bar. Do not wash your hands often. Next question. When should face mask be worn? While using public transport, at confined and crowded spaces, in small shops, all of the above. Next question. Which of the following is an example of physical distancing? You stop going to crowded places and visiting other people's houses. You stop talking to the people you live with. You stop speaking to your friends on phone. Maintain a distance of 1 feet with your friends and relatives. Next question. What do you do when you have coronavirus symptoms? Self-isolation, consult a doctor, go for test, all of the above. Now we shall have a close look at the poster. It's about coronavirus. Stay safe, save lives. So have a close look at all the images and read the captions that are written below of every image. So now we shall do the questions. What is the poster about? It's about the precautions for COVID-19. Next, choose the correct statement. It's about washing hands, so it's given here. Wash your hands well and often. So the answer is wash your hands properly and often. Next is, when should face mask be worn? It's given here. You must use face coverings in enclosed spaces like shops, healthcare settings and on public transports. So the answer will be all of the above. Next is, which of the following is an example of physical distancing? So the answer is, physical distancing is given here. Keep your distance. So the answer will be, you stop going to crowded places and visiting other people's houses. Next is, what do you do when you have coronavirus symptoms? So the answer will be all the above. Next question is, what is the meaning of the word humble? That is Subha, Vatira, Nimar, Salika. So the answer will be Nimar. Next question is from the chapter Value of Money. What was the narrator obsessed with? So options are house chores, television, advertisement, the new computer. So the answer is the new computer. Next question is from the chapter The Earth Needs You. Who is you in the first line of the poem? So the options are the poet, the reader, trees, the earth. So the answer is the reader. Next question is also from the same poem. What can you do to make a difference to save earth? So options are, we should save water, we should waste water, we should use paper bags or fabric bags, we should use plastic things, we should not bother about it. So the answer is, we should use paper bags or fabric bags. Next question is from the chapter The Aged Mother. What things did the farmer carry to the top of the mountain? Options are, he carried nothing, he carried some cooked unwhitened rice, he carried some uncooked rice, he carried some white cooked rice and dal. So the answer is, he carried some cooked unwhitened rice. Now the next question is, choose the suitable word for the given phrase. A man who eats too much. The options are polygon, polyplus, polypus, glutton, polyglot. So the answer is glutton. Next is, choose the suitable determiner. He takes dash interest in me. The options are many, any, a little, the. We know the answer is a little. Next, change the given affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence. The sentence is, the sun does not shine at night. The options are, do the sun shine at night? Does the sun shine at night? Does the sun not shine at night? Do the sun not shine at night? So the answer is, does the sun not shine at night? Now next question, choose English translation of the given sentence. अपने हाथ उत्ते चुको. Raise your hands, rise your hands, hands up, keep your hands off. So the answer is, raise your hands. Now for the last question, choose Punjabi translation of the given sentence. We are Indians, and the options are, ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਹਾਂ, ਭਾਰਤ ਸਾਡਾ ਹੈ, ਅਸੀਂ ਭਾਰਤ ਵਾਸੀ ਹਾਂ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਭਾਰਤ ਵਾਸੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਨ। So the answer is ਅਸੀਂ ਭਾਰਤ ਵਾਸੀ ਹਾਂ। So now you have to submit your paper. Dear students, best of luck for all your remaining papers. Hope you have fared well in your exams. Goodbye and have a nice day.